The transmitter almost got lost. About 2 minutes back. Oh, gee. Doubleheader.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Medina County, Wayne County, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicates a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Weston and moving east at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Richfield, Rittman, Medina, Crescent, Orville, Mount Heath, South, Doyle, Towns, Rod, Worth, Brunswick. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Please report hail and strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Medina, and Wayne.
The severe thunderstorm watch. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 670.
This is NOAA.
Indiana has issued
Here's the
a
message.
thunderstorm warning for southwestern Williams County in northwest Ohio, northwestern Defiance County in northwest Indiana, northeastern Allen County, Indiana, eastern DeKalb County, Indiana, southeastern Steuben County, Indiana, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
I'm giving you the message because you couldn't hear it due to the other alerts on this.
A severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour. This severe storm was located 7 miles west of Auburn, or 4 miles northwest of Garrett, and moving east at 35 miles per hour. Locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Auburn, Waterloo, Butler, Hamilton and Hicksville, Edgerton, Eden. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Ashley, Concord, Steubenville, Moore, Newville, Hamilton Lake, Arctic, Blakesley, Melbourne and Williams Center. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service in northern Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Allen, DeKalb, and Steuben, and the following counties in Ohio: Defiance and Williams. The severe thunderstorm